Finally. Okay, you see, I am excited as this Amazon package looks like. Shark attack. But what I'm excited about is this. Okay, you may say, Balkan boy, but you have enough screwdrivers for the army. But these are not the same. And here is the difference. So these are JIS, what stands for Japanese Industrial Standard screwdrivers. Let me show you. So JIS is Japanese Industrial Standard, and that means they are not Phillips screwdrivers. So you have Phillips screws and JIS screws. Let me show you the difference. And the difference is really not noticeable at the first look. So, you know, by the look of it, you would say they are almost the same. But let me show you like this. Japanese industrial standard are much deeper. The screws are, that X on the screw is going quite deeper. If you see by this edge, how you will recognize JIS screw. So this is the standard Phillips screw that we are all familiar with, and this is JIS, and the only difference is this dot here. This is just the damage on the screw, but this dot here, this is the sign that this screw is JIS, not Phillips. And why is that important for us is because all the Japanese bikes that we are usually working with here are JIS standard, and they have JIS screws on them. So if you put the same size of Phillips in there, you can see the gap, and it's not go deep enough into the screw. And it's very easy to strip off this screw if you use Phillips. But if you took JIS screwdriver and put it on the same, you will see how it goes very deep and have a good bite on the screw. So that's the difference. And that is the main reason why you find on most old bikes, Japanese old bikes, that the screws are stripped. Like here. You know, that is the main reason for that. So I would recommend you to do that same. I use this Phillips screws on my carburetors. It's not only that the Phillips head is easier to put in and unscrew the screw, but I have this part of the screw that I can bite on with some pliers. So Allen bolt is a great upgrade, I think, for these bikes. But now I have correct tool for the job next time I see this dot on the screw. Hope this helps someone. See you guys.